Hello everyone, it's time for the textual part of our literature reader, New Broadway. This video covers the question answer of chapter 3, The Refugee. Question number 1 from the part understand which words in paragraph 1 tell the reader that the place where the refugees come from is very different from where they are now. The answer is some of the words are alien, new capital, far country and new concrete sidewalk. Question number 2, pick out 3 phrases from paragraphs 2 and 3 that describe the sad condition of the people. Phrases that describe the sad condition of the people are city full of refugees, fed after a fashion, clothed somehow, sheltered in mats, begging at every door, and lying dead on the street. Phrases means group of words. Question number 3 in paragraph 4, the writer says these were men and women of which any nation might have been proud because. Four options have been given here. We have to choose the right option out of them. A is they were not common men and women. B is they wore finely designed clothes. C, they were tall and strong in build. And D, they were hard-working peasants. And the right option is option number D, they were hard-working peasants. Question number 4. This lack of food was confirmed when one looked closely into the faces of the people. In this line, the phrase this lack of food refers to. We have to tell the meaning of phrase this lack of food. Again, two options have been given. We have to choose the right option. A is the starved faces of the people and B is the empty basket with no food. And the correct answer is A, the starved faces of the people. Means after looking at their faces, one can easily guess that yes, they are not getting enough food which is required. Question number 5. Describe the physical condition of the wizened old man. The answer is the wizened old man carried a load of 2 baskets slung on a pole on his shoulder. He was beyond the age of work and he whistled as he dragged his feet. He strained his eyes to watch those who were ahead of him. His face wore a lot of agony. Wizened means wrinkled because of old age and agony means a lot of pain. So the group of refugees that were going on Alien city, this one of the old men was going behind them, but due to his old age and because of lots of work that he was carrying on his shoulder, he was unable to walk fast. So again and again he was looking towards those people who were going ahead of him, but as he dragged his feet he was whistling. Means he was too old to take the burden and to walk so fast, but because of the condition, because of the refugee, because of being a refugee, he was not in the condition to take rest. Question number 6. The passerby gave a few coins to the old man because. We have to give two reasons for this question. The first one is the man thought that he would surely have given the bit of silver to his old father if he had been alive. So the side of the road on which the wizened old man was sitting there, one passerby passed from that road, and after looking at the poor condition of that old man, he gave him a bit of silver regarding him as his own father. Second reason is he was kind hearted. He pitied the old man because he was hungry. The second reason was after looking at the condition or the face, the shrunken face of that old man, anybody can guess that yes, this man was very hungry, so he pitied on that old man and he gave him some silver coins. Question number 7. The old man was a true peasant who cared for the land. Give an example from the story to substantiate this. Substantiate means proved. The old man used the silver in buying one bowl of noodles for his ailing grandson. For the leftover coin, he said to the vendor that he wanted to keep it for his grandson so that he can plant a seed once the flood was over. As if the seed was not planted, there will be the starvation the year to follow. It proves that he was a true peasant. Ailing means ill or sick. Vendor is called shopkeeper, and starvation is the condition of suffering or cause of death because there is not enough food. So the old man did not spend one of the silver coin, because keeping the future condition in his mind, he kept that coin so that he would be able to buy some seeds from that coin for the future. Otherwise, again, the following year will be proved as a starved year for all the refugees as well. Question number 8 from the part info. In the last line of paragraph 1, the writer says they looked at nothing but passed as in a dream, seeing nothing. Some questions from this line have been framed. Question number A, in this line, they refers to, and the answer is the refugees. Next question, why do you think they were walking as in a dream? The answer is they were walking as in a dream because their land had been destroyed and they had lost all their belongings. They were in a different land, almost starving. So because of the destructive condition, because of losing all their belongings, the refugees were absent-minded. They were not having the ability to think or to react on any situation. That's why it was looking as if they were walking in a dream. Next question, the writer uses the word nothing twice in the line. What mood does it create in the story? The answer is refugees seemed helpless. They were walking as if in a trance, not noticing anything about around them. So the word nothing is used in the line twice. Question number 9. Why did the old man buy just one bowl of noodles? What did it tell us about him? The answer is the old man's wisdom guided him to save some silver for the future in hope that his grandson could plant the seed when he grew up. This tells us that he was wise and selfless. Now see, the old man was carrying his grandson on his shoulder, means he was so small, and many years yet to come when his grandson would be able to plant that seed. But even then we can see the visionary attitude of that old man, that he was thinking about so far for the future. So it proved him as a wise and selfless man. Question number 10. What reason does the vendor give for not giving away a bowl of noodles to the starving old man? Do you think it is a valid reason? Justify your answer. The vendor said that if he had not been poor, he would have given the bowl of noodles to the old man. But since the old man had a bit of silver, he hesitated. This tells us that he was greedy and unkind. Here we are talking about the shopkeeper who was selling the noodles. He knew that old man had a silver coin and he wanted that silver coin in exchange of another bowl of noodles. But even after knowing the starving condition, looking at the starving condition of that old man, he did not give another bowl of noodles by showing him some kindness. It showed that the shopkeeper was greedy and unkind. Question number 11 from the part reflect. Yes, even though I die, others must plant it. The land must be put to seed. If land is a symbol for a nation and seed is a symbol of growth and the young generation, do you think the author is giving us a message through these symbols? Discuss your ideas in small groups of 3 or 4. Take notes of your group's thoughts and share them with the class. Here I have given one example answer, but your answer may differ depending on the discussion with the other groups. The author wants the future generation to see what huge responsibility it is overlooking. They must be prepared to carry on the hard work of the previous generation and not let it go to waste. So the main aim of author through this chapter is to make the new generation understand the importance of hard work by giving them the example of their old generation people, and to tell them that they should also make the hard work as a part of their daily life. Question number 1 from the part extension. Given below is a box of describing words. Which of the following words best describe the old man? Give reasons to support your choice. Describing words means adjective. So some adjective words have been given here. We have to choose those adjective words which match with the personality of old man. So the words are wise, caring, feeble, proud, determined, hopeful, selfless and famished. Now the reason why these words are matching with the personality is Keeping the silver coin for future showed the old man wise. He was caring towards his grandson, though he was feeble but was determined and hopeful to grow the crop again. He was really famished but selfless, as he did not buy food for himself, so no doubt he was a proud old man. Question number 2. Arrange the following sentences in the correct order to make a brief summary of the story. All the given sentences in the question are not in sequence. We have to arrange them according to the incident happened in the story. It is done for you. You can go through it, and now I am ending this video with the promise to meet you soon.